Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Sanjay Driving School. Most of learners, they do 5 common mistake during the driving test when they're approaching to the traffic signals. 1. Whenever they're approaching to a traffic signal, they're not observing the traffic lights. If you don't looking the traffic lights, might you gonna jump the red light. Number 2. Whenever you need to stop your car on the traffic signal when the light is red, make sure you stop before stop line, because some learner, they stop the car top of stop line. So make sure you need to stop your car before the stop line. It can be half to 1 meter before the stop solid line. Number 3, when you stop on the traffic signal on the red light, keep looking yours while you're waiting for your green light, because sometimes if you don't move your car more than 5 seconds when your light turn green, it can be immediate terminate. So make sure you need to observe when you're stopping on the red light and your light turning to the green. 4th, whenever we turning left using the slip lane on the traffic light, if any cars standing before the pedestrian line and there is no enough room to fit your car, make sure you stay behind the pedestrian line and let the first car move, then you proceed after the pedestrian crossing. Other thing is, if any pedestrian about to step on the pedestrian line, you must have to give them way. And number 5, some of learner, when they stop at the traffic light, they remove their both hand. Might they feel sweat, they remove your both hand from the steering and they start to do this thing. So make sure, if you feel sweat, move your hand one by one like this, not both hand. So I hope it helps you how to control your driving during the driving test when you on the traffic signals. For more useful video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.